question is called greetings. The task here is to write a program that prints the text hello, hello, hello. As usual, we can use the hide menu button to create more space. And then the second bullet point here again is our very key and important information that tells us the start position for the writing is at 100 for X and Y is 200. So first of all, let's look at the blocks. As you can see, we have quite a few number of blocks to work with. But the first thing that is really important to identify is that the starting position is given to us because the starting position on the canvas here is in the middle, which means it isn't in the correct place to start writing from the first H for the first hello. So the first thing we need to do is set that position. So as you can see here, there is a block that allows me to change the position of the X and Y location. So let's use the hint given to us and make X and Y 100 and 200 respectively. If I run that quickly, you can see that immediately the starting point for the text writing is now in the correct position. Now let's go over and use the display text block to display our text. So in this empty box here where the speech marks are, I'm going to use that section to write the message that we need to have, which of course in this case is hello, hello, hello with an exclamation mark. Now, if I run that quickly, you can see that it does correctly start in the right place and it does correctly print the right message, but in this case, it's not going in the correct direction. So this is quite a simple fix. What that means is you need to rotate the location of where your writing starts from to turning right at a 90-degree angle. So as you can see, I've dragged that block over. Let's have a look. And as you can see here, I have successfully and correctly answered this question. Now let's have a look at the solution provided by the website for this question. As you can see, the answer is pretty much exactly the same as the one that we've done above. The only difference here is that the font size, and some of the features of the font have been modified. But the logic behind the answer that we have created and the one in the answer is exactly the same. X and Y positions have been set to those given to us in the question. You've then turned 90 degrees right and displayed the text as provided. Well done if you got that question correct. Let's move on to the next one.